Thomas, in your press conference last week, you described the team spirit, the feeling amongst the group in the last camp as that of the highest quality. What have the last couple of days been like back together?
It was a very short preparation for the match, a bit different like last time. We had last time 4 days. Now we had only 2 days and only one training session together with the team to prepare a very difficult opponent. But we selected almost the same group. So the spirit, of course, everyone is happy to be back in camp. We said the competition is on to be in camp, so the players are happy to be there and they want to prove a point that they deserve.
Yeah, pretty much the same squad. There have been a few injury issues. I appreciate you've been asked a lot about Harry Kane, but what is the latest with him?
Yeah, he will not be available for tomorrow, so it's very painful. He got a kick on his foot in the last match, wasn't able to kick a ball for some days, and then we didn't take the risk of a re-injury, and we will have him ready for the next match.
In terms of tomorrow, it feels like friendlies can be rare nowadays with the football calendar, but I think, Thomas, anyone here will tell you England against Wales in any sport, there's nothing friendly about it. How much are you looking forward to the occasion?
It's good. I love intensity and I love emotion, and where to play better than in Wembley, a derby like this. So I think that, like I said, Wales will play a very brave and courageous match, and they will try to be stick to their identity, and we think we are well prepared. We need to be well prepared. We need to match the intensity. We need to be very smart in all aspects of the game, to not let them impose their match on us, and that's what we're up to.
You've described them as a very well-coached team under Craig Bellamy. You know, what do you think are the threats? What do you need to look out for tomorrow night?
Well, we see all the patterns. We see the patterns in the build-up. We see the patterns in the high press and in the middle block. We need to be very, very aware. If we want to go into high pressing, they have a very strong deep build-up. The patterns are clear. It's very impressive that even if they concede a goal, they just continue to play. If you just take the match against Belgium, where they conceded, but they won the ball possession, well deserved. They created chances, and they lost very, very unlucky in the very last minute. But it is impressive how they stick to the plan. They have a strong mentality. They play very aggressive, and like I said, it's a well-coached team. It's a good test for us because the structure is very different to the teams that we faced before. So tomorrow counts.
I had a chat with Craig Bellamy earlier, and I asked him about, what to expect from England. The first thing he said was speed, and he said you have that Champions League speed. Looking back at the last 2 games, Andorra and Serbia, what do you feel perhaps you need to work on, and what would you like to see from your team tomorrow night?
It's very different because Andorra and Serbia played in a 5-4-1, so we need to adjust some behavior from us, how we want to defend and how we want to attack. The spaces are just different, and unfortunately we have 4 guys who already pulled out from the Serbia match because this was our benchmark match until now. But of course we want to be competitive even if we lose individual players. We had only one training session to prepare. It was of high level, and speed and ball speed and individual speed is a trademark, of course, of our players and also of the Premier League. So hopefully we can generate that. Wales will do everything to slow us down, but yeah, we hopefully find some solutions to speed the game up.
Thomas, thank you. Diolch.
Thank you.